Hi everyone, this is Wayne. I want to show you a cool little kitchen gadget we've got. This is a corn cob peeler. I guess that's what you call it. That's what we call it. Obviously, I think you can see what happens here. Got your... I don't have a corn cob right now. It's middle of winter. Let's pretend this is a corn cob. So it goes in there like so, obviously. And the serrated teeth in here. I think you can see that. They do the job. Just push it down, and it goes clear down to the bottom of the cob, peels it all off, and it stores it, keeps almost all of it inside of this little container here, which you simply loosen up like that and pour your corn out. You can get most of it out without even opening it up, though. That's the cool thing. See the little spout there? And tap it on your plate or whatever, and you'll get most of it out. And I usually just give it some of this. But we love the thing. It makes it so much easier because a lot of people, teeth aren't what they used to be when you get some age on you. So it's a good item. Hope you enjoy it when you get it. We like it a lot. Bye now.